based on our exponent rules, we want to find the value of the missing exponent. So if we have m to the 5th times m to the question mark equals m to the 8th, how are we going to find this value right here? Well, guys, what do we do to our exponents when we multiply our powers here? We add them. So, guys, this becomes 5 plus, not 2, 5 plus question mark is equal to 8. So, I know that looks like a 2. It's supposed to be a question. My bad. So 5 plus our question mark is equal to 8. So guys, what is the value? 3. So hopefully we can see that our value is 3 right here, right? So the missing value is 3. All right, let's do the same thing here on number 10. All right, these are just kind of random numbers here. All right, so h to the 3rd raised to the question mark power is equal to 18. So guys, what do you do to your exponents when we raise a power to a power? What do? Do we add, subtract, multiply? What are we doing? Multiplying. So this is 3 times the question mark is equal to 18. So my question mark is equal to 6. Excellent job. Do you guys feel good about that? Just finding our missing values. Okay? Now, I want to jump down to some kind of picture representations here. All right? Given that A equals L times W, we are going to represent the area of our rectangle below. Well, guys, if we have our length, which I guess we can write this one as our length. You guys okay with that? That's our length. This guy right here is our width. Can we multiply those two together and find our area? Sure. So if my area is equal to, what is that, 8x to the 6th times 2x squared y cubed, what are we going to get right here? Well, we're going to do 8 times 2, so that gives us 16. What is the value of my exponent going to be for my x's, y'all? X to the what power? Yeah, Maria, what do we got? 8. How did you get that?
6 times 2.
Yeah, so x to the 8th power, it's 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2, right? And then for my y, we just have y to the 3rd. All right, because there's no other y's. Do y'all feel good about that? So guys, if you are given a problem where you're given dimensions, just multiply them by each other. Do y'all feel good about that? All right, we're going to do a couple more where we find the value of our missing exponent here. So now what are we doing here? Are we multiplying, dividing? What do we do to our exponents when we're dividing, y'all? We subtract. Thank you so much. So Will, if we are subtracting our exponents here, you will have problems like this on your test. I want to make sure you guys feel good about it. If we're subtracting our exponents, then we are doing question mark minus 4 is equal to 5. So what is question mark minus 4 equals 5? What are we going to have to do here? Well, guys, we could add 4 to both sides. So what is my question mark equal to? 9. Because 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Do y'all feel good about that? All right, let's look over here at number 13. So when we raise a power to a power, Stina, what are we doing to our exponents? Are we adding, subtracting, or multiplying? Multiplying. So this becomes 2 times our question mark is equal to 18. So what is my question mark equal to? 9. Yeah, sorry. So my question mark is equal to 9. Y'all feel good? All right. Last little example that kind of goes over our problems that goes over these exponent rules is, given that the area equals length times width, represent the width of the rectangle if the area is 24x5 y to the 7th. So guys, now we are given the area as this value right here. We are also given the length, but we don't know our width. So guys, if I was going to rewrite my area problem, instead of area equals length times width, if I wanted to find my width, I would have to divide both sides by my length. So we are going to be doing the area over the length. Are you guys comfortable with that? Okay. So in order to find our width, we need to do the area over the length. So my area, what is my area equal to again, y'all? 24x to the 5th power y raised to the 7th. I don't need to write x twice. There we go. Y raised to the 7th. And that is over 4x cubed y. So guys, now how are we going to simplify this? So what do we do to our coefficients here? For 24 and 4, what does that reduce down to, y'all? What's 24 divided by 4? 6. Thank you. All right, Finn, what are we going to do for our x's here? X to the 5th over x to the 3rd. Okay, so we subtract our exponents. Good. So what is my exponent of my x going to be, sir? Thank you. X squared. Yes. And then last but certainly not least, we have y to the 7th over y to the 1. So what is the x component going to be for my y here? Y to the 6th. Because 7 minus 1 is 6. All right, y'all? So this was just a quick little refresher on some of our exponent rules. Okay? But now what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to get out paper, because we're going to take some real notes here. All right, guys? I want you guys to get out. We're only going to need 2 sheets of paper today, okay? We're only going to need about 2 sheets of paper. So that was just a quick little review on some of our exponential rules there. All right, so now we're going to get into the kind of meat of what we're doing today. Yes, ma'am.